Let's make a program in Scratch. Lion and the Dove. Hi everyone, welcome to Small Kids channel. Now let's do an amazing program in Scratch. First, click on choose a backdrop. Now I need a jungle. This I have selected. Now let's give code for this backdrop. Select that backdrop. Go to events. Drag when clicked to the space provided, and after that go to control forever and go to here you have options such as code, backdrop, sounds. Go to sounds, delete this pop and choose a sound. I want mystery. Select mystery sound and go to code again. Go to sound. Play mystery sound until done. Drag that to the space provided. So we have completed the code for the backdrop. Now go to choose a sprite, search lion, click on that lion which you have got, increase the size up to 125 and click enter. You will get. Now select -364 which is enough for the lion. Now the lion code is go to events. When clicked, you drag to the space provided, go to motion, this go to X, Y, go to X, go to X -350 and Y is -117. Now drag point in direction 90. Point in direction 90 is default. Keep it as 90 only. Now go to control forever and drag wait 1 second, but not 1 second, it's 0.5. Now go to motion. Move 10 steps is default and we want 10 steps only. Now go to looks, next costume. Now go to again events. When clicked, go to looks, think, I will eat you for 15 seconds. For 15 seconds. Now again go to choose a sprite. Search dove. This dove is pretty good. Select that and move it to the right. So the code is go to events. When clicked, motion, go to X, 188, Y -98. Now go to control, wait 16 seconds. Now go to motion, glide 1/6 to X 190 and Y is 120. Now go to looks, say catch me if you can. for 10 seconds. Now go to events. When clicked, go to control forever. Wait 0.3 seconds and again go to looks, next costume. Now we have completed our full code. Let's check. Wow, this is an amazing program which we have did in Scratch. Thank you. Hope you like this video. If you find this helpful, do like, share, comment, and for all more updates on all the learning needs, subscribe our channel Smiley Kids and click on the bell icon for more updates and watch our other videos.